Guys, how you both doing? My name is Antonia and welcome back to my channel. How is the quarantine going? I hope you people are staying safe and you are actually exercising the social distancing. Okay, yes, today's video is about my makeup, mainly about my hairstyle. This is a hairstyle you can quickly just do if you have a date and you've not made your hair on, like you didn't have your hair made already. You can just easily do it. All the things I used are what you already have in your room. As a lady, you already have it already, so you just have to pick this, pick that, and just get yourself ready for the date. It's going to take approximately nothing less than 20 minutes, but because I did a step-by-step tutorial, it's actually going to be more than that. But I know that this DIY hairdo will not take you up to 20 minutes to do, so, and you can be ready for your date. So if you want to see how I did the hairdo and also the makeup too, but it's mainly the hairdo, I'm just going to say get ready with me, even if I'm not going anywhere. So let me just imagine that, okay, I'm actually going for a date and I don't have my hair done, and this is what I'm practically going to do if I have that date and I didn't make my hair. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. If you want to see how I came up with this style from start to finish, keep on watching. So let's get right into it. I'm going to first put the makeup tutorial and then the hair tutorial. So enjoy. tutorial part. So first off, make sure you comb your hair very well. Make sure there is no tangled part in any part of the hair. Make sure you comb it very well. Next, we move to dividing your hair into 2 equal halves. That's dividing it from the middle. Like, use your nose to divide your hair into 2 all the way to the back of your hair. Make sure you get a clean line. If you can't do it yourself, get somebody to do it for you. But I did it myself, so I'm sure you can do it yourself. So cut it very well. My hair is not so relaxed, hence that's why it's not flat. I'm sure if my hair was well relaxed, it would be flatter than this. Then you take one part of the hair, you comb it very well. When you comb it well, then you take it to the back, like so, as I'm doing right now. Make sure you use a smaller comb to comb the root of your hair so that you can get all hairs stretched. You can see what I'm doing. I'm combing it. So after combing, I'm going to make sure all the hairs are laid exactly where I want it to be. Very flat. After doing that, I'm now going to use a rubber band to hold that section of the hair. I'm holding it simply because I want it in that direction, because I'm still going to work with it later. So I'm just going to hold it there, as you can see, like so. After that, I take the other side of the hair. I do exactly what I did for the first part of my hair. That's exactly what I'm going to do for this part. You can see me combing it thoroughly so that it looks really neat. Don't want a situation whereby one hair is pumping out or something like that. So you see, that's why I'm using this small comb, so it can get to the root of my hair, to my scalp. After doing that, I'll still pack it the way I packed the first one. You can see me even hitting it so it can be really flat. After packing it the way you're seeing me do, I make sure everything is nice. Then I take this other brush and smoothing the edges. Let it look really neat. Whatever you do, you have to make it look really neat. Then you go ahead to use this above mousse, hair mousse. So I just took a little and just placed it on my hair so that it can just stay put. I don't want what I've done to just move or let breeze blow it. One breeze blow it and one hair is peeping through. After doing that, I'm supposed to use edge control, but I don't have it. So I'm using my vintage styling gel to style my hair, to give myself a little bit of edges. Although I have edges, was it edges? No, I think I want to give myself baby hair. I'm honestly not a pro in giving myself baby hair. I don't even know how to do it on people, talk less of myself. But I try at least. Let's not be as if I did not do anything. They let them just be like a form of, okay, there was an attempt to do something. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to give myself some baby coils, so to speak, if I do say so myself. Well, so that's what I'm doing. I'm using a toothbrush. You can use any other smaller size of hairbrush, but I think my old toothbrush actually works really fine. After that, I'll now take the hair shine or hairspray old or something like that. I can't remember what it is, but I sprayed it on it. Makes it just stay put. Nothing moves. No hair is going to move when I do that. So now I'm done with the front of the hair. We're going to the back of the hair, and I'm using one of my old weaves for this DIY tutorial. You can use a new one if you want, but I'm using an old one. Now I'm going to go back and lose those sections I did and tie everything into a one piece. Like, I'm going to I divided it into two before. Now I'm putting everything together to form just one bun or one ponytail or something, one packing, so to speak. Yes, one packing, so that can be easy for me to work with. After doing that, then I'm going to take the weave. Just look at what I'm doing. I take my hairpin and insert it in the weave like so. When you do that, you're ready for action. Then you take it and fix it into the rubber, as you see where I actually tied my hair. I packed my hair. That's where you fix it. After you fix the pin, you start to roll round your hair. What I'm doing is already very, very, very explainable, but I just want to talk. That's why I'm doing a voiceover on it. So when you keep rolling, my weaves are in pieces. That's why it wasn't just one whole roll I did. I had to do some extra ones because my weaves were in pieces. So after doing that, just make sure wherever you stop, you use your pin. Chook it. As you are choking your pin to start a new line, you are also securing the other one that you left. Do you understand? So you are using one pin to hold so many things. So when you do that, you continue to roll, to just roll round the packing you did at the back of your hair. Just keep rolling. If you want it full, you can see my own is already forming. If you want it fuller than this, you can keep putting. By all means, you can add as much as you want. But because my hair is not relaxed, so it already has volume, so I don't need to put so much weaves like that. I don't even really like it full, so that's why. But if you want it full, you can keep packing. So you see what I'm doing? I'm rolling it back, rolling it. I'm closing my eyes because some of the hairs were actually on my face and it was quite annoying and I didn't want to stop the video. So after doing that, now when you get to the end, this is what you do. When you get to the end of the rolling process, you take the end like so, and the hairs on it like that. You just use it like to tie it very well. You're not necessarily tying it, but you're rolling, because it's small, it's going to go inside and tighten everything you've done. And that's it. So the next thing you do is to take your comb and comb your ponytail that you've already made. Comb it very well so it looks really, really nice. Make sure you comb it very well. I know this looks like my hair. Usually I don't even buy pure black weaves. I like to buy something close to my hair color. That's why some people were like, is it your hair? The day I took it out, they were like, is it your hair? Is it your hair? It's not my hair. It's just that I like to buy something close to my hair. Sure, you can see my hair peeping through. I just like that. I didn't want it to look too full. Because see, it was in my hair that is giving it volume. Sure, you see, I'm still even trying to puff it out. Just make sure you brush it to your choice. However you like it. If you want it lanky, if you want it slimmer and small, you can brush a comb it and still use your hand to just press it. But if you want it puffy, the way I'm doing it, like it has volume, just play around with it. When you play around with it, you get what you want. Then you can also make it like a low bun. If you don't want to leave it like a ponytail, you can just roll the tip and chook it under where you actually made your packing and pin it there. So this is another way you can rock this hair. If you don't just want to drop it down, you can rock it like this hairstyle is really, really chic. It's really, really classy, simple. It's classy and simple. So that's it for the hair. Very simple and easy to do. So you can also drop it. Me, I like it this way though. So that's it. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. In case you're going to be doing anything like this, if you're going to be recreating it, please recreate and tag me so I can repost and see how well you did it. I know everybody can do it. Of course, you'll be able to style your hair, put edges and all of that. So if you're going to be recreating it, I would love to see recreations of this style. So if you recreate, please try to tag me. My Instagram handle is at AKPEVWE +2 underscores. So AKPEVWE __. If you follow me, I'll follow back. Thank you for watching. Catch you on another video. Bye.